Did you know that 92% of people struggle with laziness at some point in their lives? Here's how to crush that lazy bug in just 10 minutes a day. Picture this. You're lying in bed, scrolling through TikTok, when suddenly you realize half your day has vanished. Sound familiar? Don't worry. We've all been there. But what if I told you there is a simple routine that can flip your productivity switch and kick laziness to the curb? Let's break it down. First up, rise and shine with purpose. The moment your alarm goes off, jump out of bed like you're on a mission. No snoozing allowed. This quick action tells your brain it's go time, not slow time. Next, hydrate like your life depends on it. Chug a big glass of water as soon as your feet hit the floor. It's like giving your body a wake-up call, flushing out toxins and revving up your metabolism. Now, let's get that blood pumping. Do a quick 2-minute stretch or dance to your favorite upbeat song. This isn't about burning calories. It's about waking up every cell in your body. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Time to fuel up, but not with just any breakfast. Whip up a protein-packed meal that'll keep you energized for hours. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a hearty smoothie. Your body will thank you, and so will your to-do list. Here's the game changer. Tackle your toughest task first. You know, that one thing you've been putting off? Yeah, that one. Dive in head first while your willpower is at its peak. Once it's done, you'll feel unstoppable. Now, let's talk about your environment. Take 5 minutes to tidy up your space. A clutter-free zone equals a clutter-free mind. It's amazing how a clean desk can clear mental fog. Last but not least, set your intentions for the day. Write down your top 3 goals and visualize yourself crushing them. This mental prep work is like giving your motivation a turbo boost. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine for a week and watch how your energy skyrockets and laziness becomes a distant memory. You've got this. Ready to transform your mornings and say goodbye to laziness? Give this routine a try and drop a comment below with your results. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing hacks. Let's make productivity your new superpower.